Hello, how are you doing today? Welcome to today's daily meditation. So, as I always tell you at the beginning of every meditation, remember for meditating, the mind does not have to be completely empty. It doesn't have to be without thought, without emotions, without feelings. Meditating is simply coming to a space, finding some quiet, finding some stillness. Just giving yourself the opportunity to try to practice letting go of distractions, to try to practice letting go of thoughts and emotions and feelings. Just the art of letting go of that attachment that we have to think about things that pop into our mind, that we have to feel the emotions that arise in us when these thoughts occur. So go ahead and find yourself a comfortable seat. You can sit like me. You can sit cross-legged. You can be sitting in a chair. You can be on your couch. You can be on the floor. You can be lying in bed. I want you to be nice and comfy. So get into whatever spot that is for you. And when you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes down. Just start to allow yourself to settle into this space, settling into the stillness, settling into the quiet. I want you to take your attention to your mind. We're just going to observe it right now. Observing if it is busy, if it's quiet, calm, maybe it's really loud. Maybe you have so many things going on that you can't even pinpoint what the mind is trying to think about. No matter how the mind is feeling right now, remember, we're just observing it. We're not passing any judgment. We're not making any assumptions. We're merely noticing how it is. Becoming aware of how we are feeling in this very moment. And from here, we're going to scan the rest of the body. So just taking your attention to your neck, taking your attention to the top of your shoulders, to the back of your shoulders, down the spine, into your chest. Maybe you can even feel your heartbeat. If you'd like to, you can place one hand over your heart. Take your attention to your belly. Maybe you can feel the rise and the fall as the breath goes in and out of your lungs, in and out of your body. Move down to your hips, down to the legs, the thighs, the hamstrings, continuing to your knees, your shin bones, your calves, the ankles, the toes. And go back to your arms, the elbows, your forearms, your wrist, and your fingers. Noticing that the mind has hopefully calmed down a little bit. Your breathing has slowed, becoming deeper. And we're just going to start to take a nice deep inhale, filling up in your belly, then in your lungs, and last feeling it in the back of your throat. And then slowly releasing that breath from your body, whether it be with your mouth open or your mouth closed, letting the body soften. Take another deep inhale, fill up through the belly, into the chest, the back of the throat, and the nose. And then slowly release, letting your muscles relax a little bit more on your out breath. Big inhale, fill up. And slowly release. There is no hurry. You have nowhere to be, nothing to do, but lying here with your breath. Sometimes the road gets rough. Don't be dismayed when you come to a pothole, a detour, a stretch of rough and rocky road. Don't be surprised. Slow down a little. Be patient. It's not the whole journey. It's not the way it'll always be. But it is part of your journey. Part of your journey to your heart and your soul. Even when we're living with joy and freedom, we continue to learn, grow, feel, experience. And the road can still get rough. Happiness doesn't mean feeling gleeful all the time. Happiness doesn't mean the road we're traveling is always smooth. Happiness means feeling all we need to feel and accepting each part of the journey, even the changes of course and direction. Feel all your feelings. Feel your fear and frustration about slowing down. Then settle in for the ride. You may not be going as fast as you'd like, but the journey hasn't stopped. You're not doing anything wrong. You are going slower, but you're still moving forward. Continue to lie here with your breath, observing the mind, observing the body for as long as you need. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed today's practice, and I'll see you again soon. Have a good one.